So Bossman is a burger concept by 8 Degree Projects. The original store is in Seminyak. And we've just opened a new store in Kuta, Poppies Two. Concept behind Bossman is a small menu using quality ingredients and unique flavour combos. So Bossman is a place where you can come with your crew or your other half and eat like a boss in a fun and relaxed urban environment. At both of our Bossman stores we have open plan kitchens, which is great because it means our guests can watch their burger and fries being cooked fresh each time. In our Bossman Kuta store we have 3 grills, 3 deep fryers, 1 under-counter drawer chiller and 2 sandwich chillers. The Nayati grills are really great because they hold their temperature very well, which enables us to get a good seal on all of our patties no matter how busy we are. They're also very easy to use and they look sleek in an open kitchen. And the sandwich chillers keep our mise en place very fresh and easily accessible.
All the Nayati equipment is supplied by Restomat. They give us great service from the installation of the equipment to the troubleshooting support.
Here at Bossman we highly recommend Nayati. They have a great range of equipment, they are easy to deal with and they have a great support network.